Yo, what is up everybody? If you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix the Messenger can't access photo problem. So this problem occurs if you haven't turned on the permission of storage for your Messenger. So first thing first, go out of your Messenger and hold your Messenger icon like this, and after you hold your Messenger icon, it's gonna show this thing, and once this thing pops up, click on app info. Now it's gonna take you to Messenger's app info, and once you're over here, you can click on permission and make sure all these permission is turned on, and the main permission is storage, because if your Messenger do not have access to your storage, then it won't be able to access your photos. So make sure the storage permission is turned on, especially storage, and the other permission should be turned on as well, but the main importance is storage. So after this, your problem should be solved. But if you're still facing this problem, the other thing you can do is go on Play Store and check if your Messenger is up to date. So right now my Messenger is up to date. As you guys can see, there's the open button. If there's the update button instead of open, then make sure to update your Messenger, because it's gonna fix the bug. If the problem is caused by the bug, then updating it would fix it. And the other thing is, like, go to your app info again, and once you're in app info, go on storage usage, click on clear data and clear the data. It's gonna clear all the cache of your Messenger and restart Messenger basically, and it should fix your problem. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is delete Messenger and reinstall Messenger. That should fix the problem. And the other thing is, like, restart your phone, like, because if there's some problem with your phone, restarting it would, like, simply fix it. So these are the solution on how you can fix the problem when it says Messenger can't access your photos. That's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to answer your problem and solve your problem. And you can share this video with your friends, because it can help them as well. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.